Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a close look at a fascinating restoration project. A young woman stumbles upon an old, abandoned motorcycle left on the side of the road. Rather than walking past it, she decides to take on the challenge of bringing it back to life. Let's break down exactly how she tackled this ambitious task, step by step. First, she carefully inspects the motorcycle's condition. The frame is covered in thick layers of rust, the tires are flat, and many parts are either missing or severely damaged. Despite this, she begins by cleaning off the dirt and debris, revealing the full extent of corrosion on the metal surfaces. She then moves on to disassembling the bike. Every component, from the fuel tank to the exhaust pipe, is taken apart methodically. She lays out each part, taking note of what can be restored and what needs replacing. This shows great attention to detail and planning. Next, she starts the real work. Using a grinder, she sands down the rusted frame, smoothing out years of neglect. For stubborn areas, she applies rust remover and wipes them clean. It's a labor-intensive process, but she handles it with patience and precision. With the metal frame restored, she primes and repaints the body with a fresh, matte black finish. The color choice gives the bike a clean, modern look while staying true to its rugged roots. She also replaces the seat with new leather upholstery and installs new handlebars and mirrors for a polished appearance. Moving to the engine, she opens the casing and replaces old gaskets, spark plugs, and the carburetor. After a full cleaning, oil change, and careful reassembly, she reconnects the wiring and checks the battery. The moment of truth comes when she kicks the starter, and the engine roars back to life. Finally, she takes the finished bike for a test ride. The transformation is stunning. What was once a forgotten wreck is now a fully functional, stylish motorcycle. This project is a testament to skill, determination, and a love for restoration. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible rebuilds like this.